How to fix common error in TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix common errors in TikTok. To begin with, what you actually want to do is here, you first of all, you could go with the basic checks. That is, you could hold on to your side button and then restart your device. That might also be able to help you fix common errors. Next, you also want to check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the unstable internet. So you want to long press the internet connections and then you want to restart it on your device, and then at the same time restart your router or data or modem, whatever that you're using. That should be able to help you out. And despite that, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to go to the settings section, locate apps from the list, click on TikTok or open up TikTok, and then you want to click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data, but if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and do it so as well. After which, then check whether the issue has been solved or not. If the issue still persists on, then the last solution is to update the app to the latest version. Despite doing all this, if the issue still persists on, then you could simply go ahead and reinstall your TikTok application. At the same time, restart your device, and that should definitely help you out fix common error in TikTok. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.